Hey there! Fall is here, and what better time to get your home ready for the changing season? Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or a first-time renter, design your home this fall with these tips and tricks. First up, let's talk about color. This season, bold and bright colors are in. Think shades of orange, red, and yellow. Not only will they add a pop of color to your home, but they'll also be bright and inviting during the colder months. Next, think about adding some texture to your home. Adding some neutrals, blankets, or pillows can instantly elevate your living space. Consider using fox fur or velvet for a cozy and luxurious feel. Don't forget about lighting. Adding some extra lighting to your home this fall will make it feel brighter and more inviting. Consider adding some string lights, table lamps, or even a fire pit for a cozy and warm ambience. Now, let's talk about furniture. If you're looking to spruce up your home, consider investing in some new sofas or chairs. They don't have to be expensive. You can often find stylish pieces on sale or online. Lastly, don't be afraid to add some greenery to your home. Not only does it add a pop of color and freshness, but it also has been shown to have health benefits. Consider adding some succulents or herbs to your home for a natural and inviting look. So there you have it, some tips and tricks for designing your home this fall. With a little creativity and inspiration, you can create a warm and inviting space that you'll love spending time in all season long.